Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got some limited edition unboxings for you. They will be filmed separately, but I've got a few Sephora favourite boxes. This one is their iconic makeup edit. It costs £70 and it has a whopping value of £360. There's 10 different Sephora favourite boxes available, ranging from £15 to £95. I'll list them all down in my description, including this one. But as well as this, I have a hair care heroes and a fragrance edit to share with you as well, which will be coming separately. This box was kindly sent to me as a PR sample from Sephora, so I'm really grateful that they sent them out so I can share them with you. I absolutely adore the boxes. They're really, really cute keepsake boxes where they've got a magnet there to keep them shut. But yeah, £360 jump pack full of makeup, so let's get into it. The only downside is that they've given me a wrong leaflet. I have got the Hair Care Heroes leaflet here as opposed to the makeup one. In the leaflets you'll find on how to use the products, so I won't be able to tell you that with this box, unfortunately. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and all these boxes will be listed down there, as well as all my giveaways. I've got a Sephora collection advent calendar running on my Instagram page at the moment, and then it'll be changing over towards the end of November to a different advent calendar giveaway. Sephora have given me a code as well. It's a permanent code for as long as they want to work with me, that is, and that is Claire Sephora, and that will entitle you to 20% off site-wide, but there are some exclusions, including Sephora collection own brands, so unfortunately you can't use it against this, but I'll pop that down below anyway. So let's get on to showing you what's inside this box. So first up, we've got Vita Liberata. This is a beauty blur for the face in medium. It's for perfect complexion. Vita Liberata do fake tans, so I'm guessing beauty blur face medium. I'm guessing it is, so I won't try it on my hand. Oh, look at this, look. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna have to look into this a little bit more. Oh, look, it's got a little Doppler. It's not a fake tan, it's like their leg cream, their body blur. This is face blur, isn't it? Beauty blur for the face. Yeah, they've got a body blur, which is gorgeous. You think of like a putty type primer, you know? It's like that. You put it on your legs, gives you a nice even glow to your skin, diminishes imperfections. So I'm guessing this is what this does, and it's medium. This is perfect for me. My skin is pale, but as you can tell, it blends in really nicely. No, really chuffed to that. For the perfect complexion, if I want a sort of tinted moisturiser type thing. I'm gonna have to read out more about it because I haven't got a clue really. So there's that. Then we got some brushes from Spectrum. I love this brand. This is a 3-piece essential set for the face. I have got so many Spectrum brushes now. They're just beautiful. Look, so they've got a number here. This is a BO2. So great for contour or for foundation. And then we've got a A04. Great for blush. Possibly. You use it for whatever you want. It's up to you. And then we've got a A03. This can be used for foundation. But yeah, I'm more likely to use it. Maybe, I don't know actually. I don't tend to use these type of brushes, but I'd imagine maybe blending in concealer under the eye would be quite good because you'd be able to do it quite gently and it's quite flat. Maybe. It's got a set of 3 brushes there. Then we've got Natasha Denona Face Glow Cream Shimmer. This is dark, 03 dark. What is this? What is this? Oh, I love the packaging. I have just bought an eyeshadow palette. The Glam palette. Oh, and it is beautiful. Ooh, look at this. Face Glow Cream Shimmer. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. So a creamy bronzer with a shimmer. I'm loving that, especially for summer months. Oh, how lovely. Yeah, really nice. Have a bit of a glow going on around the outer edges of my face. Yeah, really, really happy with that. See how it blends out, and the colour isn't too dark either. I know I've got the ring light on now because I'm filming at dark, but filming at night I mean, but no, that blends out nicely. Can you see? Really happy with that. Then we have got the Quick Flick for Perfect Wings. Perfect Wings eyeliner stamp with a felt tip eyeliner pen. What brand is it? Is it the Quick Flick? I haven't used one of these for a long while. We got a right and a left one. Oh, yeah. Right and left. We got a modest 10 millimeters. That is so cool. Although, is there going to be much of a difference? Yes, it is. It's because you might not be able to see much there. It flicks out. So if I just put it on top there. Right, that's upside down, but imagine it the other way up. The other side up, yeah. So that would be your, to me, I'm looking at the right. So that would be your right hand flick. And then this would be your left. So they're not identical. That is really, really cool. Quick and easy solution. But then we've got 2 eyeliners. I don't understand. Yeah, no difference. I've just made a right mess now. No difference to them at all. So basically we've got 2 eyeliners and then we've got little flicks then to be able to do a wing. I love the sound of these. I do really like them. 100% water and sweat resistant, smudge proof, cruelty free, non-toxic, vegan, left and right winged stamps. And it's a modest 10mm wing. Yeah, I like that. Next up, we got Iconic London. This is a lip plumping gloss in Love Struck. I've tried this before. It's a little bit too pale for me. It's a nice gloss, but I'm not really one to go for it, you know? So I'll be passing this on. I love this brand though. They do one of my favourite mascaras, the Triple Threat mascara. That's amazing. Really, really good. Next up, we've got a mascara from Rodial. This is XXL Extreme Lash Maximizer. Love Rodial. I don't think I've tried this. You might not be able to see the writing because of the ring light. It just says mascara. Ooh, yeah, that brush looks nice. Can't really tell though until I try it on my lashes. Extreme Black Lash Maximizer for amplified volume. Yep, sounds great to me. Next, we've got a Lord & Berry Maxi Matte Lip Crayon in shade Intimacy. There. Okay, let's see what colour this is. Yeah, it's nice. I love a lip crayon for ease. Nice and easy. Lip liner, lipstick all in one. It stays put generally. Yeah, really nice and handy. But I do think I might already have that one because that colour is quite familiar. I think so. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is stunning. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Maybe I should go for this colour next time. Look at these. Look, look. Nails, Gel Effect, Long Wear Plumped Polish by Nails Inc. London in Kensington. That is beautiful. That is such a gorgeous colour. It's like a berry purple colour. Oh, I love it. Yeah, look. Oh. I have my nails done in a salon. I have little gels done. I had them done last week, so I'm not due to have them done for another few weeks. But I do paint my toenails, not necessarily in the winter time though, because they're hidden. No one gets to see them in the winter. But I love that colour, so I'll definitely keep that for myself and use it for my toes. But I'm thinking I want to have this colour on my nails maybe the next time I have it done. Yeah. Next we got Jekka Black Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for Face in Champagne. There's 20ml there. There. See it blended in? I haven't done a good job of blending it in a lot. So it gives off a subtle shimmer there, a goldy tone. So there's that. Next we've got Mini Uplifting Cheek Colour. A splash of colour creates a perfect portrait. Something new for me, a new brand. MII. That's the brand. Oh, that's pretty. Got a little mirror there. Yeah, that's pretty. So an uplifting blush. Still loads to go. We have got Delilah Stay the Night Smooth Shadow Stick. Oh, brilliant. In pink champagne. I've got a little collection of shadow sticks developing at the moment. I I love them for creating a really quick and easy smoky eye. Oh yeah, I love this colour as well. I don't have one like it. I've got a goldy one and a brown, a matte, but this is like a shimmery rose gold maybe. Yeah, no, that's really pretty. Next we've got a Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is 4 mils there, a little mini. I did a full face of Milk makeup for Sephora. It was Feel Unique back then. It was a couple of months ago. I got to try out a load of products from Milk. Some I liked, some I didn't. I tried out this. This is a really nice primer, went on really nicely. Makeup sat well on top of it. Yeah, really great primer, but the one that caught my eye after I did my video was the pore blurring one. I still am yet to get it, to try it, but that's the type of primers I tend to go for. Something just to get rid of my pores, basically. Next, we've got a little Huda Beauty lipstick. This is Interview. Cute, cute. Oh, I like that colour. Look. Yeah, really nice. Then we have got a Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturiser. Safe for sensitive skins. This is by First Aid Beauty. And there's 50 mils here. I don't think I've tried a primer from First Aid Beauty before. So this is new. Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming. Apply evenly over clean face, follow with makeup, or wear alone for a natural look. Yeah, coconut skin primer. Then we've got 3 items left and they all look absolutely amazing. Oh, look at these. These are so gorgeous. These are by the brand Vela. The Effortless Kit. No trim. You must have heard me going on about the fact that I love fake eyelashes. I'm wearing some today, but every time I buy them, I have to cut them because they're too long for my small eyes, so I have to cut them. I prefer like 3/4 length lashes if I can get them, like demi-wispy ones, you know? So yeah, the fact that these are already fit perfectly for me. They're beautiful, they're fluffy, they're wispy. Look. And we've got some tweezers and we've got some lash glue as well. Oh, this is gorgeous. A new brand for me. But oh, they're beautiful. They're exactly what I go for. And then you've got the glue. And you've got some really nice tweezers there with a flat edge. Oh, I love that kit. Then Wonder Skin, again something new. Glamorous Wonder Blading Lip Colour, Liquid Blading Technology, Peel and Reveal for perfect all-day lip colour. There's a lip colour and a lip activator. Wow. I'm loving the colour, if it's that colour. That is beautiful, like a right fiery red. Then we've got the colour and the activator. So we've got a cloth, activator and colour. How long does it last? Wonder Blading is a new way to hyper stain your lips. It's a 2-phase process that starts with a lip mask containing special colorants. The second step is a mist which activates the mask and hyper stains the brilliant color into the surface of your skin. Within seconds of misting, you can peel, oh my gosh, peel and reveal a perfect pout of color that is transfer free, smudge free, feather free, and water resistant. Yeah, I'm guessing it'll last all day until you take it off. I ain't gonna have to do a video on this because I haven't seen this before. But yeah, let me know if you'd be interested in watching it because I'll do it. Lastly, we've got a palette by Morphe. This is 9R Bronze Metal Artistry palette. Oh, I am loving those shades. I was thinking more of a warmer, deeper toned, like bronze and golds. No, that is really, really nice. Let's try a few. I love the mustard. Oh, gorgeous. Oh my word. They are really buttery smooth. Look. Yeah, really nice. No, not powdery at all. That's a really nice palette. So there you go. Those are all the items inside the iconic makeup edit. Just went on and on and on, didn't it? It costs £70 and it has a value of £360. It contains a lot of products I've never heard of before, never tried before, so I'm really excited to give them a go. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? What do you think of the other boxes if you've seen them? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care. Bye.